Steve here with WinChoice USA. As the leading window installation company in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we're proud to tackle any job that comes our way. Stay tuned to find out more. At WinChoice USA, we are happy to offer a number of different services. Whether you need a window repaired or replaced, we can get the job done quickly and for a fair price. We're proud to be a veteran-owned company that manufactures, installs, warranties, and services for each one of our products. In other words, we stand behind what we do. With 4 decades of experience and a commitment to giving back to our community, you can turn to us no matter the scope of your project. But what kind of services do we offer? For starters, we can make any necessary repairs on your windows. Whether it was damaged in a storm or in a game of backyard baseball, we have the experience to make sure it looks and functions as good as new. We also offer replacement windows, so if you're interested in energy efficient windows, we have you covered. Do you need custom windows? That's not a problem because we can work with non-standard sizes easily. No matter the size of the project, when you need a window installation team in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, look no further than the experts at WinChoice USA. Contact us today for a free estimate.